Hello dear Aquarius, welcome to my channel. This is your third week's reading exclusive Love Plus Career, and we are going to cover everything that the cards are going to show. The cards are already out, so if you're a Sun, Moon, Rising Aquarius, this reading is for you. You can also follow your Lagan chart if you follow that. Alright, so let's see. I know a lot of people are now going to text me what is Lagan. It's according to the Indian astrology, not the Western astrology, so please follow that. So you have got the Three of Spades and the Five of Suns in your career. These are your career related cards. Alright. Success, abundance, good news, positive offers, everything is going to come to you this week. I also see that the work that you're doing right now, maybe you are studying for an exam, maybe you're applying for a job which already has a lot of applicants, maybe you're applying for a promotion which already have a lot of candidates, maybe you're handling a business which has a lot of competition, a lot of customers and competitors. Whatever your field is out of these, there is competition for sure, but do not be afraid because I do see success coming your way. I do see positive offers, good news coming your way, which means if you had given an exam, you can expect a positive result. If you have given an interview, you can expect a positive result, and you can see a lot of success, boom, or more profit in your business as well. Aquarius, this is a very positive week for you when it comes to your career. I also see that you will be attracting little bit of name and fame towards you, which means maybe your name will be or photo will be printed in a newspaper, known in your local locality or just in your family because nobody has achieved the kind of success that you have achieved, right? So whether the volume of the success that's coming to you, the fame that is coming to you is small or large, but some sort of attention you are definitely attracting this week. People will be coming to you asking questions, wanting to know more about you and your style of working for sure. So let's see now what's happening in your love life. You've got the Five of Stars and the Judgment card. But before that, let me tell you, Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius are the signs that you're dealing with. You're already Aquarius, right? You could have a Capricorn or Sagittarius Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart, or you're dealing with somebody like that. Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius. Okay, I do see that in your love life, you are somewhere stuck in the past. The past hurt, the past betrayal, the past frustration. You're not able to move past it. I do see that in the past, you could have lost somebody, or somebody uh, abandoned you, somebody did not choose you, right? But you are still stuck on those past misunderstandings, past lessons, maybe even waiting for the past person. I do see that Judgment Day has come, which means a very important time for you to pay attention to the reality and accordingly make a decision. So, if you guys are already in a relationship or marriage, and if you think that your relationship is full of hurt, full of abandonment, nobody cares or loves you, there's constant frustration, fear, trust issues, this is not really working out for you, you will be making an important choice this week, whether to stay, whether to move on, whether this relationship is fueling you with love or hate. So please make a choice accordingly. What do you want to do? Whether you want to stay, whether you want to move on, what is best for you is a choice you will have to make this week. Those who are single will have to decide whether to continue to wait for that past person or try and look for a new one. The good news here is, the catch here is that your life pretty much depends on you this week. Which means if you really have not paid attention to your relationship, if the mistake was from your end, if you put in the work and effort, your relationship can still be saved. But if you do not put any effort, your relationships are going to end. So whatever you do right now is completely dependent upon you. If you're going to make an effort to come out of a relationship, right, break a relationship, if you have been weak, you can find that strength. This week is going to be very powerful for you. This week is going to help you make some very important decisions in your life, but you will have to think carefully. Weigh the pros and cons. What is good for me? What is bad for me? Right? And accordingly come to a decision. And trust me, your whole life will depend on this. So please make a wise decision. It is time to make a wise decision. The universe is also backing you. The universe is also making a choice on your behalf. So please make a wise choice when it comes to your personal relationships, whether to stay in this house or move out, whether to stay in this city or go, whether to invest, buy a house, buy a car. All those personal decisions will be made this week. All right. And some very positive decisions, some very good decisions, and some very good conclusions and answers will come to you this week. So be happy. Do not make a decision out of fear, but make a decision out of positivity and for a better future. And yes, this was a general reading. If you guys resonated with this, if you guys think that this is exactly what is happening in your life, if you guys liked this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And yes, to book a personal reading, ritual, counseling session, love package, anything, email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com or directly DM me. Follow me and DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. You can directly DM me to ask for a price also. Otherwise, it's always available in my stories. Check out the description box for more services and check out the links in my bio. Please join the membership plan also if you want to get into a live chat with me on my Hindi channel. I only have two channels, English and Hindi. Please make note of that in case you come across any other channels as well. So take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.